Hello everyone, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. The government addressed all opposition parties on Friday over the recent terrorist attack on Amarnath Yatra pilgrims as well as the military standoff with China. The meeting was addressed by Home Minister Rajnath Singh and External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj. The decision to address an all-party meeting was taken after the nation was troubled on both sides by Pakistan and China. All parties including the Congress, Left, Janata Dal United and Trinamool Congress were invited. In response to the opposition leaders' call for using active diplomatic channels, the centre said it is engaged in negotiations to ease the tension in the Dokalam region of the Sikkim sector. As the impasse festered, opposition parties criticized the government for not taking them into confidence on issues of national interest and security. Opposition leaders including Congress's Anand Sharma and CPM General Secretary Sitaram Yechury wanted to know why the impasse happened in 2017 and why the government is unable to find a solution through negotiations and discussions. Most leaders including the NCP's Sharad Pawar seconded the questions. The Congress, Trinamool Congress, CPM and Shiv Sena, which is an NDA ally, fielded a flurry of questions. Some of the opposition leaders later said they didn't get satisfactory answers. The Shiv Sena took an aggressive stand and sought action and not mere talks from the centre. Former Defence Minister Mulayam Singh Yadav, who represented the Samajwadi Party at the meeting, said the government needs to be careful about dealing with China. Defence Minister Arun Jaitley, Home Minister Rajnath Singh and Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj along with National Security Advisor Ajit Doval were present at the meeting. It was decided that Mulayam Singh and Pawar, two former defence ministers, would meet Arun Jaitley on the China issue. Sushma Swaraj called another meeting on Saturday to brief other party leaders. The government also briefed the leaders on the attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Anantnag. Several leaders said the government couldn't come up with a credible reason to explain security lapses that led to the attack. The leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Ghulam Nabi Azad of the Congress, wanted to know why the bus took 4 hours for a 2-hour journey and why it was allowed to travel at night. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.